Okay, here's Diane, and I'm talking with Brian Leach from Steelray Software. What does Steelray Software do, Brian?
Well, we make a number of great tools that work with Microsoft projects. We make a project viewer, so you can take your project file, share it with the team, and they don't have a copy of project. They can open it and see all of the major views like the Gantt and the calendar and resource usage, and they don't need a copy of project to do that, so you can collaborate with your team without having to save it as a PDF or print it out, or it's a much easier way to share a project file.
Now, excuse my ignorance, but I thought Microsoft already had a project viewer of some kind. They don't?
They do not.
Oh.
They do not, yes. And there are a lot of companies out there that are buying copies of project for people who only need to open that project file. And so instead of spending 10 times what our product costs, it makes a lot more sense to buy a copy of a viewer instead. A lot of people don't know that there are viewers, but we've had ours for several years, and a lot of companies are using it.
Tell me two of the coolest features in your viewer.
Okay, one of the coolest features is navigation. So you are looking at a view, and you can click on a task and see a detailed view of that task and a list of people who are using it. You click on a person's name, now you see what that person is working on. And what you can do then is, just like in a web browser, there's a back button. You can go back and forward where you've been and back and forth. You can click on a date and see what is starting on this date, what is ending on this date, what is in progress on this date. So because we're not modifying the project, we can make it so much easier to use with just mouse clicks. Another second great feature is we've built a search engine into the viewer. So you can type, let's say, the word Brown, it will return people whose last name is Brown, let's say, that are working on things, or tasks that have the word Brown in it. You can, when you're looking at a task, you can click Update Task, answer a few questions, off goes an email to the project manager giving them a status update.
Oh, very interesting. So how would somebody find out more about your product?
They would go to our website, which is www.steelray.com, Steelray.com. We offer free trials of all of our products, fully functional. You download it, you use it, and if you like it and come back and buy it, we just send you a license key. We offer enterprise licenses, we work with resellers, and we are worldwide.
So, one last question, Brian. Why are you giving away mini moon pies at your booth?
Because we are an Atlanta-based company, and we wanted to find something that was uniquely Southern, but also good to eat.
So if anybody's looking at this and you're still at the show, come on by the Steelray booth for a free mini moon pie.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, Brian.
All right, thank you.